In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Google fee discount promo codes in 2024. So with that in mind, let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Google fee discount promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called retailminute.com. And as you can see, we have a list with different type of promo codes that can get us a discount. For example, if you want to get this $20 credit for new customers, all you need to do is select show code right here, and this is the promo code. You can copy this promo code right here, and you can use this one on your first order in order to get this $20 credit. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called couponchip.com. And right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get the discount. For example, if you want to get this one with $60 off, all you need to do is select get promo code from right here. And this is the discount code. You can copy this promo code and you can apply this one on your first order in order to get this $60 discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.